Homeway, we do a lot of insurance claims. You know, if there's a storm that comes through and all of a sudden your house has 2 inches of water in it, or there's a giant hole in the wall, or anything happens that could be an insurance claim, call Homeway. We are, quite frankly, just the best in the area at it. You know, we're gonna make sure that you guys get taken care of, that you guys are getting the best possible claim that you can out of it. The quality of work is gonna be there, and you just have a huge team behind you. That's a great thing about Homeway, is it's a massive team. You know, it's not just 2 or 3 guys that work on your home. You have our owner who truly cares. Rowdy, that man's amazing. He's gonna be there. He's gonna show up on your job to make sure it's going right. The project managers, they care so much, and they're gonna make sure that your job is being taken care of, to make sure that the insurance process, it can be a headache. There's a lot involved in it. And not only the PM's gonna be taking care of that, but we also have people in our office that are constantly talking to the adjusters, talking to the insurance company for you, so that you don't have to go through that headache of staying on hold for 2 hours just to talk to somebody. We've got people that are gonna do that for you. So I know insurance claims, they seem like a huge headache, and it seems like it's gonna be a huge thing for you to tackle. Well, you don't have to tackle it. We're gonna tackle that for you, and you're gonna get that same quality work as you would if it's a Homeway retail job.